Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to English with Ikram. Dear viewers, in one of my last videos, I have discussed types of question. How do we form question? And one thing that you must keep in your mind that asking question in any language, that's something very difficult. People hesitate to ask questions. If you are able to ask question, it means that you are capable of answering, replying to that particular question. Because asking question is something difficult as compared to answering that question. किसी भी लैंग्वेज में क्वेश्चन पूछना, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग सेकंड और थर्ड लैंग्वेज, आप कुछ दूसरी ज़बान बोलना सीखते हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछते हुए यू फील सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एजिटेशन. जब आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो आपको एजिटेशन फील होती है एंड यू थिंक दैट वेदर आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग. यू आर थिंक अबाउट योर एक्यूरेसी. So, if you are capable of asking questions, it means you are quite confident. You have no hesitation. And if you are feeling no hesitation in speaking a language, especially second language, it means that you can speak that language. You have started speaking that particular language. किसी भी ज़बान को जब आप बोलना सीखना स्टार्ट करते हैं, किसी भी ज़बान को आप स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो आप में स्टार्ट में एजिटेशन होती है, especially when you want to ask some question. In discussion, you can discuss something, but you are hesitant to ask question. I have discussed there are two different ways of asking questions. The one method I have discussed this fact again and again, that one formation is when we put the helping verb in the beginning. Helping verb of that particular tense. I have discussed tenses in detail, how to form interrogative sentences. And second very important formation, very important methodology is by putting WH word or question words at the beginning, and then we ask question. In today's session, I will discuss question words in English. There are different question words, different WH words, and how can we ask questions by WH words. This is very important. If you learn how to ask questions, it means that you have started speaking that particular language. So in today's session, I will discuss in detail how to use WH words, how to use question words, different question words in English language. जितने भी क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स हैं, WH वर्ड्स हैं, वो किस किस तरह किस मकसद के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. तो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड I hope that at the end of this video you will be able to ask questions. And if you are capable of asking questions, it means that you are feeling confident now. You won't feel any sort of agitation if you are capable of asking questions. Okay, let's get started. The first question word, this is who. When do we use who? How can we use who by asking questions to form an interrogative question? Whenever we want to refer to people, when referring to some people, we use WH word or question word who, right? Whenever I want to know the person, we use who, right? We use WH word who when we want to know the person. For example, let's take some example. I have given some example over here. The first one is, who is the founder of Pakistan? I want to know the person, the founder. I use who. And one more thing from structure's point of view, whenever we use WH words or these question words, we use auxiliary verb just after the WH word. When do, how do, why do, who is, who will. Just after WH words, we are supposed to use auxiliary verb, helping verb just after the WH word. Okay, the first WH word is who, and when do we use who? When we want to refer towards certain person, we want to know the person. As I have given one example, who is the founder of Pakistan? Obviously, in reply to this question, you will say Quaid-e-Azam. I want to know the person, right? The next example, who is the fastest bowler in world cricket? Again, I want to know the person. So, whenever you want to know the person, whenever you want to refer towards person, you use WH word who, right? This is the first WH word or question word who. The next one is where. When do we use where? or how do we use where this question word? Whenever we want to refer towards any location, any place, I want to know the place, I use where. Again, after where, I'll use any helping verb. For example, where do you live? I want to know the place, the location. Where do you live? This is the exact structure by using this question word where. Where do you live? Where is the school? Where is the market? Yes? Where do you live? Where is the railway station? Where is the market? Here I am asking this question to know the place, the location, right? This is second very important question word, where. The first one is who, the second one is where. And the third question word is when. When do we use when, this question word? Whenever we want to know the exact time, the time or occasion. When I want to know the time, I use when. For example, when is your birthday? I want to know the time, the occasion. When is your birthday? First example, when is your birthday? Or when do the shops close? Nowadays, if I ask from some person, nowadays due to this pandemic situation, smart lockdown, I inquire from somebody, when do the shops close? The shops close at 5 p.m. nowadays due to smart lockdown. Okay, so this is the third very important question word when, and we use when whenever we want to know the occasion, the time, we use this question word. The next question word is why. Number 4 WH word. Number 4 question word or WH word is why. How do we use why to ask questions, or when do we use why to ask questions? We use why to get the reason, to get any explanation. We use why. We use why to ask question whenever we want to get some sort of explanation, some sort of reason. When I want to know the reason, I use why. For example, why are you late today? When a student comes late, I want to know the reason. I will ask this question by putting this question word at the beginning. Why are you late today? Why do you come to school late daily? Right? Why are you late? Or why did you sell your car? If somebody has sold his car, I ask the reason. Why did you sell your car? Right? So whenever we want to inquire about certain reason, certain explanation of certain thing, we use why, this question word. Right? The next question word is what. When do we use what to ask question? Or how do we use what to ask questions? Whenever we want to refer toward specific information. When we want to refer toward certain information, certain specific information, we use what to ask question, right? Or I want to know the thing, something. For example, what is your favorite color? What's your name? Or what is the time? I want to know some information, something. I use what. This is question word number 5, what. When do we use what, and how do we use what to ask question? Whenever I want to know some information, something, I use what. Right? The next one is number 6 question word or WH. H word is which. How do we use which to ask question, or when do we use which to ask question? Whenever we have some choices, some alternatives, and we want to ask about one. When the choice is made and we inquire about one thing, one out of many. Whenever I want to know one choice out of many choices, one thing out of many things, we use which. Which is your favorite color? There are different colors. So if I inquire about one choice, one out of many, I would use which. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite book? Or which dress will you wear today? There are many dresses do you have, and I would like to ask by putting this question word, this WH word at the beginning. When I want to know one out of many choices, one out of many things. So whenever we want to know about one out of many different choices, different things, we use which, right? And the next one is how. Number 7, it's how. Question word how. When do we use how? It's very important. When do we use how, and how do we use how? Whenever we want to know the way, the manner of certain thing, how the thing has been executed. What is the manner of execution? Whenever we want to describe the manner something is done, I want to know the way, the manner of execution of certain thing, I use how. How do you go to school? Whether you go to school on foot or by car or by vehicle, I want to know the manner, the way, right? Or how can I learn English? I want to inquire about the process, the procedure, the way I can learn to speak English, right? So this is number 7. The next one is, there are some other expression with question word how. There are some more expression with the question word with WH words how. For example, the first one is how much. When do we use how much? How much, this question word or this WH word we use when we refer to quantity of uncountable noun. When we refer to the price or the quantity of uncountable noun, we use how much. I have discussed in kinds of noun that what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. Countable noun, the nouns, the thing that can be counted, and uncountable noun, the thing that cannot be counted. So we use how much with the things that cannot be counted or with uncountable noun. For example, how much time do you have? Time is uncountable noun. So with the time we use how much. How much time is left? How much time do you have? How much money do you need? So whenever we want to refer towards uncountable noun, we use how much. How is this question word, and we use much with how. How much for whenever we want to inquire about uncountable nouns. Time, money, oil, price. We use how much. How much time is left? Okay, how much money do you need? Or the next one is how many. The next expression is how many, and we use how many, this question word, whenever we want to refer towards quantity of countable nouns, the thing that can be counted. For example, how many boys are absent today? How many boys are present today? How many people are crying outside? How many girls are standing there? So whenever we want to refer towards countable nouns, we use how many. How many brother and sister, very common question. How many brother and sister do you have? So whenever we want to refer towards countable noun, the thing that can be counted, we use how many. This expression by asking questions. The next one is how often. The next expression, this is how often. Whenever we want to refer towards the frequency, how many times an action occurs. Whenever we want to refer towards the frequency of an action. How often do you visit your friends? How often does he attend the lecture? Whenever we want to refer towards the frequency of an action, right, we use how often. And the last expression is how far. This is the last expression, how far. How far refers to the distance. How far, the last expression, this refers to the distance. When, for example, how far is the college from your house? How far is bus stop from here? Right? So these were certain expressions, question words. How can we ask, how can we make questions by question words or WH words? And I have told you earlier that question formation, question asking is very important if you want to learn to speak a language. If you are capable of asking questions, it means that you are feeling confident now. Now you can speak language. So try to practice by these WH words. I have discussed almost 10 different expressions, 10 different question words. So practice all these words or these question words. Try to ask question, and by asking question you will feel confident. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.